Hello, Class 8th. A very good morning to all of you. So, Class 8th, as you know that we are doing the fourth chapter of civics, which is understanding the laws. And in yesterday's session, we have discussed how the nationalists played a major role in evolving these laws and how the laws got evolved. Now, moving on for today's session, today we are going to discuss about how do new laws come about. So now how new laws come, with whose help, with whose guidance we get new laws. So class, for that let's begin with the session. So class, as you all know that parliament plays a major role in making laws. There are many ways through which new laws made, and it is often for different groups in our society that raise the need for a particular law. So class, we know that in our society there are different social groups, and we further know that India is a culture diverse country. So people from different diversity, people from different social groups raises their voices so that new laws can be made for the welfare and betterment of the people. And the parliament also plays a major role because it acts in a sensitive way to the problems that is faced by the people. It shows its concern towards the problems faced by the citizen. And now let us see how parliament tries to understand the issue of the domestic violence that was brought to the attention of the parliament, and how this issue became a law. Today we are going to discuss and study about this. But for that we need to understand what does the term domestic violence means. So class, domestic violence generally referred to the injury or harm or threat of injury or harm caused by an adult male, usually husband, against his female. So class, in domestic violence you can see that the male is beating his wife, he is abusing her, causing mentally, physically, emotionally injury. So that is called a domestic violence. So it is generally caused by the male towards the female. It can be your physically, when a male beats the women physically, so it is called a domestic violence. It can be emotionally also, emotionally abusing her, or physically, and it can be your further economically abuse as well as the sexually abuse. So many women in our countries were facing the problem of domestic violence until the date they used to face the problem of domestic violence. So this was a very sensitive issue, and the protection of women was really important for their welfare only. So the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act came in 2005. So this act came in the year of 2005, and the term of domestic violence includes all the women who live together in a household with their husband, with a male partner, and are suffering from some type of violence. It can be a physical, mental, sexual, economically, any type of violence that a woman is suffering because of husband is called a domestic violence. And for the betterment of the women, this violence was being made so that the women can be protected from this type of abuse from her husband. So class, furthermore, so there you can see the cartoon. Here the women are very happy and they are discussing that finally the parliament has passed this law. They are discussing and they are happy because they were the one who raised the concern, and they took various ways. They took out the rallies, they put out in the newspaper, they went to the even to the court. So finally when this law was out, the women who raised their voices, the women commissions who raised their voices, welfares who raised their voices, they all were very happy that finally we got a law for the protection of the women from getting abused by the home. It can be in any form. So yes, you can see that in the book also you can see that women are discussing and they are very happy because they feel that they have achieved something in their life. So furthermore, they are celebrating all the procedure through which they have gone. They started with a small campaigning, and how this campaigning got big. So this cartoon deals with all of the things that they suffered, from the campaigning to raising rallies to going to the court, and finally the parliament here towards the sensitive issue of the domestic violence, and they finally made a law. So you can see the happiness of the women, because they were the one who were suffering from domestic violence. So you can see that parliament is play important role because it acts towards a sensitive issue, and domestic violence was one of the very sensitive issue in our country, because class many women living in their households were either abused sexually, economically, physically, or they are beaten mercilessly by their husband. So in order for the welfare and the protection of them, the parliament decided to make a law for them, and if anybody abuses their women, so he will get the punishment. So you can see this law was made for the welfare and the protection of the women. So class, the above example shows the role of citizen is crucial in helping parliament frame different concerns that people might have into laws. So class, when the people raise concern, when the women raise their voice, and you know that women are the citizens of a country, so it is the parliament who showed their concern as well as for the people, because we know that parliaments being elected by the representatives directly, because we vote for that, and it is the representatives play a major role in helping the citizens as well as their development. So they felt that yes, this law should be made because the country need this type of law, and the citizens also plays a major role because they raise their voice, and parliament also acted towards this sensitive issue of domestic violence, and hence making this law. For establishing the need of a new law, the issue is being passed. So class, for establishing a new law, it is important that the issue should be passed from every stage, from the voice of the citizens to the hearing, TV reports, editorial, local meetings. All of them help the parliament to work together and make laws more transparent for the people. So because it was the concern, it was the so major concern, everybody was talking for the betterment of the women, for the protection of the women, the law got finally. And furthermore class, you can see that every citizen played a major role in making these laws. It can be any laws. We have studied about Hindu Succession Act also. Again, we have studied about the Pollution Act also. So you can see that the people of the country raise their voices through news, radio, by making rallies, by posters, newspapers, radio broadcasts, local meetings, and all of these helps the parliament to do something for their people, so that they can make a new law that is more transparent and everyone can easily get the benefit of the law, because law is above all and everybody should be lived properly, equally, and no discrimination should be there. And furthermore, these laws are made for the welfare and betterment of the people of the country. So class, please make sure to read this chapter, watch the video and submit the work on time. Okay class, thank you.